Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create logo in Adobe Express for free. So let's started. At first open your Adobe Express document. Now we show the interface. Now going to the logo option. Now for click. Then we show the side is the main template logo. Now for then choose for logo design. Now choose from logo, then click from a down, double click from. Now my channel logo is 2 word. Then select from text. Now change the color. Now click for a fill option, then choose color. Now choose from red color. Now then I change the other font size, then I choose font. Now I choose from font. Now click for regular and font size. Then we character name, the logo name. This text the background color. Now click, then choose color, and now I choose from red color. That it's. Now we can say is the create from logo in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Then we logo from download. Now for click from a download option. Now click from download, then a file format, then we download format from the 4 option. Now we choose from PNG option. Now click for download. That it's. Now we show the download from file. Now from double click. That is. Then we show already create from a logo. Now today's video step by step from create logo in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.